So friends, welcome to my review section. So you have saw the unboxing and you must know that this is the KZ EDX Lite, and this is KZ's most affordable IEM in I think past 4 years, and its price is only $8, and I have used them for 3 days, and now I'm going to present you my experience with it. First of all, let's start with its look and its build quality. Well, look wise, they are just normal looking IEMs, and they have a fully transparent shell, and it's good. And as far as their fit and comfort is concerned, they are very good in fit and comfort as well. Now let's talk about its sound quality. Just in $8 also it delivers a very fine sound. That's the reality. I didn't find any dislikable thing about KZ EDX Lite, and that's why I'm telling you this. And honestly speaking, they have a very fine bass, and its treble is on point, and its vocals are also very clean, so it delivers a very fine and smooth and balanced sound, and it's absolutely worth it for $8. And if I compare it with some other IEMs, so I have these two, and they both are $16 IEM, and so this one here is $16 IEM from Lafitier, and it also delivers the same sound as KZ EDX Lite. And we have another one as well. It is also a $16 IEM, and it also delivers the same sound as KZ EDX Lite, but it is not as clean as EDX Lite. That's the reality. And of course that KZ is a big brand, and it will produce a very good and balanced sound from their IEMs. And the only thing about this is that this one is beautiful, and this one has a very beautiful cable, but KZ EDX Lite doesn't have a beautiful looking cable, and which is fine for a $8 IEM, but they look quite good, and they are comfortable also, and their build quality is also very fine. And I didn't find any dislikable thing about EDX Lite. So if I sum up my entire video, should you buy it? In my opinion, if it has such a balanced amount of quality, so of course you can try it. And as far as if I compare it with these two IEMs, which are $16, so I think KZ has done a wonderful job. Their sound quality is just fine if I compare it with these other two IEMs I have mentioned. And in my opinion, a KZ brand who always try to capture a budget market, and they always try to create budget IEMs, but this one is the cheapest in all budget IEMs. So you must try it so that you should know the difference between cheap IEMs versus high-end IEMs. And I think it has a wonderful sound, and the price is absolutely justifiable, and I don't have much more to say. And if you have any questions, you can tell me in the comments, and I will surely reply. So friends, that was my opinion on KZ EDX Lite, and I really want to hear your opinion on it as well. That do you like cheap IEMs, or do you want brands to make cheap IEMs? And according to me, it does sound clean. I am repeatedly saying that it does sound clean, and I didn't find any dislikable thing, and that's why I recommend you guys. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, I would like you to subscribe it, and many more good videos are coming soon. Thank you for watching my video.